N'addamu okulaba omwami eyo ng'akutamye wansi naye nga wansi waliwo omwana ng'akutamye bw'ati. Nga wansi waliwo omwana yeebase ku ttaka nga amukutamyeko. Mu bwongo bwange nasooka kulowooza nti ali kkuba mwana. Nadduka misinde risiiti nagisuulawo wansi ne nziruka misinde we yali. Natuuka mubuuza abaana baffe okuba baaki. Yali tannanziramu genda otunula wansi nga waliwo omwana gwe bayita Keisha Genrot ng'ali mu kitaba ky'omusaayi. Omwami oyo yayimuka ng'akutte akambe mu ngalo. Omwami oyo yali sipiide nnyo mu bintu bye yali akola, yabakirawo omwana owookubiri immediately. Nagenda okulaba naye ng'amuteeka wansi ng'awanise ekiso n'emmanya naye ayagala mumusala.
Nga bamukwata akambe ke yakozesa okutta abaana abo kali ludda wa?
Bwe yalaba ng'abasajja bayingidde, yakakasuka wabweru wa fensi.
Nga bamukwata olina ekintu ekirala kye walaba?
Nalaba nga bamusikamu obwambe obulala bubiri bwe yali atadde wano mu stocks.
They pulled 2 other knives he had kept in the socks.
Anything else?
Waliwo ekirala? Awo abantu bajja n'abazadde ne batandika okujja nga buli omu anoonyaamu omwana we ku baali basigadde nga balamu nga bwe babatwala.
People started coming and even parents came looking for their children and started taking them back home. Kyekirala?
Poliisi yajja n'efulumya abantu okuva mu ssomero.
Police came and asked everyone to come out of the school.
Let's proceed.
What else?
Kyekirala?
Poliisi yagazetinga ekifo nga tekyakkiriza muntu yenna kuyingirayo.
Police cordoned off the premises and they could not allow anyone to enter.
What else?
Kyekirala?
Poliisi yaŋŋamba okuggyamu engoye ze nali nyambadde nzibawe kubanga zaali zijjudde omusaayi.
Police asked me to remove the clothes I was putting on because they were soaked with blood.
The views and opinions expressed in this program are those of the speakers and don't necessarily reflect the views and positions of this channel. The channel cannot be held accountable for any views expressed during this program.
Girl, you're the only channel I turn to now, the one and only place that I need to be somehow. This love's a vow, it's Say More official, Say More official. Yeah.
And she can be cross-examined next time, but at least let her give her evidence in chief.
I am most obliged, my lord.
Okay. We shall ensure that we don't exceed 6 o'clock because he has to be taken back.
Okay. My lord, this should be PW6.
Yes, PW6. Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
What's your name?
Namtebi Phoebe. Namtebi Phoebe.
Namtebi who?
Phoebe.
Phoebe. I'm going to request that you speak louder than that.
Okay.
Miss Namtebi, how old are you?
34. 34.
34 years. And what is your religion?
I'm born again.
Okay, you're going to take oath to swear and answer some questions.
My lord, she requests to speak Luganda.
Okay, please.
Ndayira mu linnya lya Katonda
ndayira mu linnya lya Katonda
obujulizi bwe ngenda kuwa mu kooti
obujulizi bwe ngenda okuwa mu kooti
ku musango guno
ku musango guno
bwa mazima
bwa mazima
awatali bulimba.
awatali bulimba.
Okay, Miss Namtebi, we have been informed that your evidence is quite long. If you need to sit down, please let me know.
Obujulizi bwo bujja kuba buwanvu bw'oba oyagadde okutuula owanika omukono obulira ekitiibwa.
Yes, madam.
Phoebe, please just repeat your full names again.
Namtebi Phoebe.
And you say you're 34 years, born again Christian. Where do you live?
Obeera ludda wa?
Mbeera Gaba Water.
I stay at Gaba Water.
Which division is this?
Division ki?
Machinje division.
The district?
Kampala.
What do you do for a living?
Okola mulimu ki?
Ndi caretaker ku Early Childhood Development Center.
I'm a caretaker at Early Childhood Development Center.
For how long have you been caretaker at the daycare?
Omaze bbanga ki ng'oli caretaker ku daycare eyo?
Myaka 5.
5 years.
And what do you do as a caretaker? What are your duties at the daycare?
Nga caretaker ku daycare okola mirimu ki?
Receiving abaana ku makya kuva ku bazadde baabwe nga babaleese.
We receive children in the morning after being dropped by their parents.
Tubeera nabo mu activities ez'enjawulo ng'okuyimba, okusaba, okuzannya nabo.
We do a lot of activities with the children. We pray, we sing.
Tubaliisa,
We serve them food.
tubanaaza,
We bathe them.
ne tubeera nabo okutuusa bazadde baabwe we babakima.
We remain with
We are
them.
going to go slow.
Ojja kugenda mpola mpola bawandiike by'oyogera. We remain with these children until they are picked up by their parents.
Miss Phoebe, do you know the accused person sitting opposite you?
Oli omusajja atudde awo omumanyi?
Mumanyi.
I know him.
How do you know him?
Omumanyi otya?
Namumanya nga lumu omwezi ogwokuna 2026.
I got to know him on 1st April 2026.
Lwali Lwakusatu.
It was a Wednesday.
Ssaawa zaali zigendamu 5.
It was about 11.
So on this day,
Night.
11,
11 ez'ekiro,
Ez'okumakya.
11 a.m.
so please tell court how you came to know the accused.
Wajja otya okutegeera gwe bavunaana?
Omwami oyo yajja ku daycare center yaffe.
He came to our daycare center. Ojja kwogera nga bw'olaba ekitiibwa omulamuzi, bw'olaba nga amaze okuwandiika ajja kukugamba oyongere okumugamba ebirala.
Yes.
Bwe yajja yayimirira ku gate wabweru.
When he came, he stood outside the gate.
Mu mbeera eraga nti yalina
I will be
kyeyetaaga.
prompting you. Yes.
Yayimirira mu mbeera eraga nti yali alina kye yeetaaga kuva gye tuli.
He stood there as if he wanted something from the daycare.
Yes.
bwe namulaba nagendayo ku gate we yali ayimiridde
When I saw him, I went to the gate where he was standing,
naye gate yali nzigale.
but the gate was closed.
Yes.
Namubuuza engeri y'okumuyambamu.
I asked him how I can help him.
Yes.
Yaŋŋamba nti bamulagiridde ku ssenta yaffe nti tukuuma abaana.
He then told me that someone had told him that at our center we take care of the children.
Yes.
Ne mubuuza emyaka gy'omwana gy'alina.
I asked the age of the child he intended to bring.
Yes.
N'aŋŋamba omwana we yali myaka ng'esatu.
He told me that his child was about 3 years.
Yes.
Ne mugamba ffe tukuuma abaana abali below 3 years.
I then told him that for us we keep children only below 3 years.
Okay.
Ne mugamba naye tulina nursery section ku Maranatha wansi osobola okutuukayo ne bakuwa ekifo mu baby class.
I then told him that we have a nursery section at Maranatha, so I directed him to go and get a vacancy in baby class.
Okay.
Yanziramu n'aŋŋamba nti yagezezzaako dda okutwala omwana oyo mu baby class naye abasomesa gye yamutute ne bamuadvisinga nti omwana tajja kusobola.
He told me that he had already tried taking the child to the baby class, but the teachers advised him that the child might not be able to be in nursery, in baby class.
Did he give you a reason why the teachers had advised so?
Yakubuulira ensonga lwaki abasomesa baamugamba ekyo.
Ensonga gye yampa yaŋŋamba nti omwana teyali social ng'ate tasobola kwogera bulungi.
He told me that the child was not social and could not speak very well.
In what language were you interacting with the accused?
Twayogera Luzungu.
We were speaking English.
What followed when he told you
Kyekyaddako ng'amaze
the advice
okugamba
allegedly given to him by other teachers?
ng'amaze okugamba abasomesa bye baali bamugambye.
N'agamba bamuadvisinga omwana amufunire ekifo ewali banne nga bangi asobole okuinteractinga nabo omwana asobole okupickinga up.
He told me that he was advised to take the child to where there are many children, where he can interact with others and pick up.
Yes. What followed?
Yansaba n'angamba nti bw'anaaba aleese omwana oyo muyambe mbeere nga mumonitoringa mubuulire improvements ze bw'anaaba nga akakinze up second term abeere nga mutwala mu baby class.
He then asked me to monitor the child so that he improves and then take the baby to baby class the following term.
Yes. What
What
followed?
bwe twamala n'ambuuza requirements ze tuba twetaaga y'okuba ng'aleeta omwana.
Repeat, please.
Yambuuza requirements ezeetaagisa y'okuba nga asobola okuleeta omwana.
He asked me for the requirements needed for him to bring the child.
What did you tell him?
N'omugamba ki?
Olw'okuba ng'omwana we yali amuleese ng'agenda mu registeringa mu department y'abasasula ssente.
He was going to register his child in the department of those who were paying money.
Yes.
Namugamba monthly charges emitwalo giba 12.
I told him that it is 120 per month, 120,000 per month.
Yes.
Registration omutwalo gumu.
10,000 for registration.
Yes.
Ne uniform eba ya mitwalo 6.
And 60,000 for uniform. 60,000 for uniform.
And
Ne school bag mwaleetera engoye z'omwana we ez'okumukyusa nga tumaze omunaaza.
And a school bag where he can put clothes for the child for changing after bathing.
and where were you as you told him all of these details?
Ng'omugamba ebyo mwali ludda wa?
Yali wabweru nze nali munda that day saamuggulira.
He was outside the gate and I was inside. On that day, I didn't open for him.
What followed?
Kyekyaddako.
Yaŋŋamba kagende abitunulemu agenda kudda akole asasule.
He told me that he was going to think about it and come back to pay.
On that day, you say he came at around 11.
Ogambye Koro yajjanga ku ssaawa 5.
Yajjanga ku ssaawa 5 mpozi kye neerabidde bwe yali tannagenda yambuuza tusasula tutya.
He came around 11, but before he left, he asked me how we pay.
Yes.
Ne mugamba tusasula cash mu office.
I told him we pay cash in the office.
Okay.
Nambuuza ate mobile money temugikozesa.
He asked me whether we use mobile money.
Yes.
Ne mugamba option tusobola ogikozesa singa sente ziba ku simu tuba tukuwa essimu gy'osobola oziteekako.
I told him we can opt for that option if the money was on the mobile phone.
Yes.
era bwe yamala n'agenda.
After that, he went away.
As you interacted with him on that day, where were the children?
Bwe wali oyogera naye ku lunaku olwo abaana baali ludda wa?
Baali bazannya wabweru kubanga obwo obudde bubeera bwa break time nga bazannya outside.
They were praying from outside because at that time it is break time.
Other than you, were there any adults at the premises when you were interacting with him?
Bwe wali oyogera naye waliwo abantu abakulu abalala abaaliwo?
Bakeyateekazi bannange baaliwo.
Other caretakers were present.
Were they in the compound
Baali
or
wabweru
inside?
oba munda?
Baali wabweru.
They were outside.
Were they male or female?
Baali bakazi oba basajja?
Baali bakazi.
They were female.
So what followed after he left?
Bwe yamala okugenda ki ekyaddako?
Yakomawo the next day nga 2 Ogwokuna 2026.
He came back the next day on 2nd April 2026.
Around what time?
Ssaawa nga meka?
Yakomawo obudde bwe bumu ng'era zigenda mu ssaawa nga 5.
He came the same time towards 11.
What happened when he returned?
Bwe yakomawo ki ekyatuukawo?
Era yayimirira ku gate nga bwe yayimirira the day before.
He came and stood outside the gate just as he stood there the previous day.
Yes.
Namulaba engeri gye nali mulabyeko nga twayogedde naye era ne ngenda ku gate.
When I saw him, the fact that I had talked to him, I approached the gate.
Yes.
Bwe yandaba n'aŋŋamba mbadde nkomyewo ku nsonga gye twayogeddeko jjo nga nzize kola payments.
When he saw me, he told me that he had come to finalize what we had discussed the previous day and to sort the payments.
Yes.
Namuggulirawo gate.
I opened the gate for him.
Did he come with anything as he entered?
Ng'ayingira yali alina ky'alina.
Yalina akasawo buno obw'aba beginners aba baby class ng'akaweese ku mugongo ke yaŋŋamba nti ke kasawo ke nali mugambye ak'okugulira omwana okuleeteramu engoye.
He had a small bag, the one for beginners where they carry their clothes from, and he told me it was for the child I had asked him for.
Okay.
Namugulira ne mutwala mu ofiisi ya coordinator, Madam Odong Annette.
I opened for him and took him to the office of the coordinator, Madam Odongo Annette. Adongo Annette.
She's called who?
Odong Annette.
Sorry?
Odong.
The other name?
Annette.
Okay, just make good use of the microphone. Eh? Yeah. Odong Annette. Yes. What did you find in the office?
Nga mugenze mu office ya Odongo Annette, mwasanga ki?
Yamwaniriza n'amuwa akatebe n'atuula.
She received him and gave him a seat.
Okay?
Ne mumwanjulira ne bye twali twayogeddemu naye olunaku olwali lwayise.
I introduced him to Madame Odong and told her that we had talked the previous day.
Yes.
Madam Odong naye yamwinterviewingamu n'amubuuza ku nsonga z'omwana oyo.
Madame Odong also interviewed him about the issues of that child.
What did Odongo interview him about?
Yamubuuza ku myaka gy'omwana.
Madame Odong asked him about the age of the child.
Did he reply?
Naddamu
n'atugamba nti omwana si yamuzaala.
He told us that he was not the father of that child.
Naye omwana oyo alina maama we ayita astrugglinga n'obulamu kubanga omwami we yali yamulekawo n'amulekera omwana oyo.
He told us that the mother of that child was struggling in life because the father had abandoned them.
N'atugamba ye yali avuddeyo ng'omuyambi azze okuyamba omukyalo oyo abeere nga amulabirira omwana oyo n'okumuweerera.
He told us that he was coming in as a good Samaritan to help the woman and take care of the child.
Yes.
Era yatugamba ye ku olwo yali azze kiriyalinga bya ssente n'agamba nti ajja kusindika maama w'omwana ajje n'omwana tumuggyeko documents z'omwana ezimukwatako.
He told us that for him he had come to pay and he was going to send the mother of the child to come with all the documentation.
Yes. Bwe twamala Madam Odong n'amubalira ssente naye yazimubaliranga mu bitundutundu.
What do you mean?
Otegeeza ki?
Yamubalira omwezi emitwalo 12.
Madam Odong also calculated the fees for him, 120,000 shillings for the month.
Omutwalo ogwa registration.
10,000 for registration.
N'emitwalo 6 egya uniform.
And 60,000 for uniform.
Yes.
Omwami bwe bamala okumugamba ssente ezo ye mwennyini n'azigatta n'atugamba emitwalo giba 19.
After being told of the amounts, he added it up and he told us it was 190,000.
What did he use to add up the money?
Yakozesa mutwe gwe okugatta ssente ezo.
He used his head to calculate the money.
What followed?
Can we please keep some peace, please?
Tukakane.
Do we say he used his head? What is the correct interpretation?
He used his head to calculate the money.
Mental work.
Okay, he used his mental work. He used mental work to calculate the money.
But in vernacular, the interpreter was correct. Ma'am, you say he calculated the money and told you that the total was 190. And what followed?
Ogambye nti yabala ssente n'abagamba nti zaali 19,000. Kye kyaddako.
Mrs. Odongo yajjayo calculator confirming.
Mr. Odong got a calculator to confirm. Mrs. Odong got a calculator to confirm the amount.
Yes.
Bwe yamala okubala ku calculator n'amugamba kituufu.
After using the calculator, she confirmed it was true.
Yes.
N'amugamba amuwe ennamba y'essimu kubanga ssente zaali ku
Who
mobile
told who?
money.
Ani yagamba ani?
Mr. Christopher n'agamba Madam Anet amuwe ennamba y'essimu kw'abateeka ssente kubanga ssente yali aziyina ku ssimu.
The accused requested Madam Odong to give him the contact where he can deposit the money because he had it on mobile money.
Yes.
Ennamba baagimusomera n'akolako deposit ya $19,010.
Who read the number to the accused?
Ani yamusomera enamba?
Mrs. Odongo yamusomera ennamba y'essimu eyiye.
Mrs. Odong read out the number for him.
Yes.
N'ateekako $19,015 ng'N50,000 za withdraw charges.
He then deposited 195,000, 5,000 being withdrawal charges.
Yes. What else happened?
Mrs. Odongo yaŋŋamba ng'endedde receipt book muwandiikire receipt.
Mrs. Odong requested me to go and get a receipt book so that I can issue him a receipt.
Yes.
Bwe nali mpandiika receipt ne mubuuza amannya g'omwana ge mba nteeka ku receipt.
As I was writing the receipt, I asked him for the names of the child so that I can include them on the receipt.
Did he tell you the names of the child?
Amannya g'omwana yagakugamba.
Amannya g'omwana yagaŋŋamba naye we yayogera omulundi ogwasooka saasooka kuwulira ne mugamba pardon.
He told me the name of the child, but at first he told me the name I didn't hear, so I asked him to repeat.
Yes.
Mu kifo ky'okunziriramu yasipeeringa amannya gombi yagansipeeringira nga nze bwe mpandiika ku receipt.
Instead of responding, he instead spelled the names for me as I was writing on the receipt.
Era amannya gaali Zuriel Onyango.
The name was Zuria Onyango.
Please spell that name for the court.
Z-U-R-I-E-L.
Okay.
O The next name is O N Y U M.
Zuriel Onyum. Okay.
Okay, so did you write the receipt?
Receipt wagiwandiika.
Receipt nagiwandiika ne ngimuwa.
I wrote the receipt and gave it to him.
What followed?
Kye kyaddako.
Mrs. Odongo yamugamba tweyanzizza omwana tumulinze ku lwokubiri nga bamuleese ne mami we.
Mrs. Odong thanked him and told him that we were waiting for the child to be brought on Tuesday.
Yes.
Yafuluma wabweru n'atambula.
He moved out and started walking.
Towards a gate.
He started walking towards the gate.
Yes.
Bwe yatuuka ku gate namugyako attention nga ndowooza afuluma.
When he reached the gate, I did not pay attention anymore. I thought he had left.
Yes.
Nakutama n'ensika drawer ya Madam Anet nsobole okuzzayo receipt book.
I bent to pull the drawer of Mrs. Annette to put back the receipt book.
Yes.
Naye mba sinnaba kugiteekayo nentunula mu ddirisa kubanga bw'otunula mu ddirisa oba olengera ekigenda mu maaso wabweru.
But before I could put it, I looked through the window because through the window you can easily see what is taking place outside.
Yes.
N'addamu okulaba omwami eyo ng'akutamye wansi naye nga wansi waliwo omwana ng'akutamye bw'ati. Nga wansi waliwo omwana yeebase ku ttaka nga amukutamyeko.
I then saw the accused person bending on a child who was on the ground.
Was he bending? Was he squatting?
He was bending.
Yes.
Mu bwongo bwange nasooka kulowooza nti ali kukuba mwana.
In my mind, I thought he was beating the child.
Yes.
N'adduka misinde receipt nagisuulawo wansi ne nziruka misinde we yali.
I threw down the receipt book and ran towards where he was.
Yes.
Natuuka mubuuza abaana baffe okuba baaki.
When I reached, I asked him why he was beating our children.
Yes.
Naye yali tannanziramu genda otunula wansi nga waliwo omwana gwe bayita Keisha Genrot.
Before he responded, I saw Keisha
Keisha?
Agenworth was down
Ng'ali mu kitaba ky'omusaayi.
in a pool of blood.
What else did you see?
Kye ekirala kye walaba?
Omwami oyo yayimuka ng'akutte akambe mu ngalo.
The accused person got up when he was holding a knife in his hand.
Yes.
omwami ye yali speed ennyo mu bintu bye yali akola yabakirawo omwana owookubiri immediately.
He was so quick that he immediately grabbed another child.
Yes.
Nagenda okulaba naye ng'amuteeka wansi ng'awanise ekiso ne mmanya naye ayagala mumusala.
I then saw him putting the child down, and he had a knife. I understood that he was also going to cut another child.
Yes.
Bwangu nakwata obugaali abaana bwe bavugirako wabweru.
I immediately got one of the bicycles the children use outside in the compound.
Yes.
Ne nkamukasikira.
I threw it at him.
Yes.
We nakamukasikira yasooka n'aleka omwana gwe yali akutte n'asooka n'angoba nze.
When I threw the bicycle at him, he left the child and then started running after me.
Yes.
Nadduka nga bwe ndeekaana naye natuuka n'engwa wansi.
I was running while making an alarm, but I later fell down.
Yes.
Bwe yalaba nga ngudde wansi yandeka n'adda ewali abaana.
When I fell down, he left me there and went back to where the children were.
Yes.
Bwe namalira okusituka wansi okuddayo nasanga asala owookubiri ng'amumaliriza.
By the time I got up, I found when he had finished cutting the second child.
Yes.
Nakwata akagaali akalala nenziramu nenkamukasikira nga agoba omwana owookusatu.
I again got another bicycle and I threw it at him as he was running to get the third child.
As this was happening, where were the other caretakers?
Ebyo byonna nga bigenda mu maaso, bakeyateeka abalala baali luddawo.
Ekintu kino kyagwawo mu bwangu, byonna byaliwo mu ddakiika ezaali entono ennyo. Mrs. Odong yali amaze okufuluma awo wabweru ng'akuba alarm. Keyateeka omulala we byahapeningira yali atutte baana manju kubanga tubawerekera for short call n'okulongoosa emanju potties. Byamusanga ali manju. Baali bakamala okulya break nga keyateeka omulala ali kulongoosa room naye awo we yasalira omwana wokubiri eyali alongoosa kiraasi mwe baaliridde breakfast ne Mrs. Odongo baali bafulumye nga bakuba nduulu bayita buyambi.
Okay,
So you are going to go
you're
slow,
going to go
over
slow
again.
and
Sorry.
yes, and the question was,
Baaliridde breakfast ng'alongoosa.
One caretaker was cleaning the room where they had their breakfast from.
Yes.
caretaker omulala yali atutte abaana abamu emanju n'okulongoosa emanju ku potties.
This other caretaker had taken some of the children for short call, and he was also cleaning their potties.
Yes.
Mrs. Odongo yali mu office ng'alina report gy'amaliriza mu office.
Mrs. Odong was in office finishing some report.
Yes.
Omufumbi yali mu ffumbiro ng'afumba.
The caterer was in the kitchen preparing food.
So you say you were throwing the bikes at him and making noise. Did they respond?
Ogambye nti wali omukanyugira obugaali nga bw'okuba enduulu bajja okulaba ki ekyali kituuseewo.
Eyali alongoosa ne Madam Annette baavaayo.
The one who was cleaning and Madam Annette came out.
Naye tebaasooka kumanya kyali kigenda mu maaso kubanga bano ababiri be yali asaze baali wansi kati baalaba angoba nga tebamanyi lwaki angoba.
But they could not tell what was going on because the two he had cut were down and they didn't know why he was chasing me.
So you say he cut the second child. Did he do anything else?
Ogambye yasala omwana ow'okubiri. Waliwo ekirala kye yakola.
Do you know the second child that he cut?
Omwana ow'okubiri omumanyi.
Omwana ow'okubiri saamunotisinga kubanga saasobola notisinga face ye awo.
I didn't notice the face of the second child.
What else happened?
Ki ekirala ekyatuukawo?
Kati bwe nalaba ng'agenda proceedinga ku mwana omulala ne mukasukira akagaali omulundi ogwokubiri.
I saw him proceeding to get the third child and I threw the bicycle at him for the second time.
Is it second or third?
Second.
No, second. Second time.
Second child. Okay.
No, the second time when I threw to him the
Okay.
bicycle.
So this is when he was proceeding to
To
which
the
which
third
child?
to the third
The
child.
third child. Okay. Yes. So what followed?
Ki ekyaddako?
This time round yangoba.
This time he chased after me.
Naye nali nzijjudde okutya nga nkankana naddukanga nga bwengwa nagwa ebigwo bisatu.
I was scared and in panic, so I was running while I was falling down. I fell 3 times.
Yes.
Bwe nagwa omulundi ogwokusatu yantuukako n'agalula akambe ke.
When I fell the third time, he got close to me and put up his knife.
Yes.
Engeri gye nali mmaze okulaba ng'asaze bali eri namanya nange agenda kunsala n'enzibiriza amaaso.
Because I had seen him cut other children, I thought he was also going to cut me, so I closed my eyes.
Yes.
Naye yandeka n'adduka n'addayo mu baana still.
He still left me and went back to the children.
Yes.
Nalwawoko wansi engeri gye nali ndimu entiisa.
I took long to get up because I was scared.
Yes.
Nagenda okusitukawo nga ali ku mwana gwe yasala eyasembayo. Owookusatu saamulaba nga yamusala ndi awo wansi nga ndi traumatized.
By the time I woke up, I found when he had finished cutting the last child. I did not see him cut the third child because I was traumatized.
Yes.
Era omwana gwe yasembayo Sala gwe namulaba ng'asembayo Sala yali Ryan Odeke.
The last child I saw him cut was called Brian Odeke.
Yes.
Awo bannange endulu ze baali bakubye waliwo eyali aziwulidde nga z'okutuyamba.
At that point, my colleagues had made an alarm and there was someone who had come to rescue us.
Era nalaba Cyrus Bukenya yasooka okujja n'asamba gate n'ayingira.
And the first person to arrive was Cyrus Bukenya. He came, kicked the gate open and entered.
Cyrus
Bukenya.
Kenya.
Cyrus who? Bukenya.
Who is Cyrus Bukenya?
Cyrus Bukenya yani.
Baali bazze nga balina bye bazze okukola ku church. Baali ku church compound.
They had come to the church compound. They were doing something there.
So Cyrus came first. What followed?
Cyrus bwe yasooka okujja kye kyaddako.
N'abalala basatu bajja bamuvaako emabega. Kwaliko Bashir, kwaliko ne Timothy ne Moses omukuumi.
So these three people included Bashir, Timothy, and who?
And Afande Moses.
Other three people came following Cyrus, and those were Bashir, Timothy, and Moses, the security guard.
Who is Bashir?
Bashir yani.
Bashir ne Timothy be bamu ku baali balina bye bazze okukola ku church.
Bashir and Timothy are some of the people who had come to the church to do some things there.
Yali agenze patrol we byabeerawo ng'ali ku patrollinga kubanga patrollinga ekifo kino kyonna.
Moses is a security guard and he was doing patrol over the whole place.
So by the time Bashir, Timothy, Moses, and Cyrus came, where was the accused?
Cyrus, Bashir, Timothy ne Moses we baayingirira. Omwami Christopher yali luddawo.
Cyrus we yayingirira yamusanga ng'akyasala omwana asembayo. Ng'akyakutta omwana asembayo amusala.
At the time Cyrus entered, he found the accused person holding the last child so that he can cut the child.
And what happened?
Kye kyatuukawo.
Yamuarrestinga ne bamukwata.
He arrested him.
He or they?
Was he alone when he was?
Ye yamusookako banne na bali abalala ne bajja ne bamwegattako.
He's the first one to arrest him and the rest came and joined him. Twala wa.
They confined him.
Bwe baamala omukwata baamutwala wa?
baamuleeta ku gate waliwo akayumba k'aba security.
They took him to the security room at the gate.
Yes.
Ne bamusibiramu kubanga mob yali abantu baali batandise okujja nga baagala kumukuba.
They locked him inside the security room because the mob had gathered and they wanted to lynch him.
Taking you a little back, where was the knife that he was using to kill the kids?
Nga bamukwata akambe ke yakozesa okutta abaana abo kali ludda wa?
Bwe yalaba nga abasajja bayingidde,
When he saw that the men had entered,
yakakasuka wabweru wa fence.
he threw it outside the fence.
Did you observe any other thing as he was being arrested?
Nga bamukwata olina ekintu ekirala kye walaba?
Nalaba nga bamusikamu obwambe obulala bubiri bwe yali atadde wano mu stocks.
They pulled 2 other knives he had kept in the socks.
Anything else?
Waliwo ekirala?
Awo abantu bajja n'abazadde ne batandika okujja nga buli omu anoonyamu omwana we ku baali basigadde nga balamu nga bwe babatwala.
People started coming and even parents came looking for their children and started taking them back home. Kyekirala?
Poliisi yajja n'efulumya abantu okuva mu ssomero.
Police came and asked everyone to come out of the school. Hold on.
What else?
Hold on.
Sorry.
Please proceed.
What else?
Kyekirala?
Poliisi yagazetinga ekifo nga tekyakkiriza muntu yenna kuyingirayo.
Police cordoned off the premises and they could not allow anyone to enter.
What else?
Kyekirala?
Poliisi yaŋŋamba okuggyamu engoye ze nali nyambadde nzibawe kubanga zaali zijjudde omusaayi.
Police asked me to remove the clothes I was putting on because they were soaked with blood.
How did blood get on your clothing?
Omusaayi gwatuuka gutya ku ngoye zo?
Bwe baamala okwarrestinga oyo omusajja nalowooza nti maybe waliwo omwana gwe nsobola otwala mu ddwaliro kati nasitula Keisha nga njagala mudduse mu ddwaliro eyansiga omusaayi.
After they had arrested the accused persons, I thought I could save one of the children, so I carried Keisha, and that's how I got blood on me.
What else?
Kiki ekirala?
abapoliisi banzijjako statement.
I made a statement.
Okay, apart from the statement, after this man cut the kids, you say you tried to save, to lift Keisha. Where did you take Keisha?
Ogambye wali oyagala kutaasaako omwana n'ositula Keisha wamutwala wa?
Nafuluma gate, naye we nafuluma gate nagenda okulaba ng'ensingo ye yonna ng'esaliddwa nga sayini ziraga yali afudde.
I went to the gate, but by the time I reached, I saw they had cut her neck and she had passed on.
He was not talking anything, but he was breathing heavily.
Yali tayogera naye nga yali assa nnyo.
You say he came with a bag. Where was the bag?
Wagambye nti yajja n'akasawo. Akasawo kaali ludda wa?
Akasawo kaali ku mugongo ne mu process yonna ey'okutta abaana kaali ku mugongo.
The bag was at his back even throughout the process of killing the children.
And you say you issued him with a receipt. Had you given him that receipt before he left office?
Ogambye wamuwandiikira receipt wali ogimuwadde nga tanafuluma office.
Nagimuwa.
I gave it to him.
Would you be in position to identify it?
Bwe bakulaga kopi ya receipt gye wamuwa osobola okugitegeera nti yeeyo?
Nsobola.
I can.
Before I do, did you get to know what happened to the original, the one that you had handed to him?
Original eya receipt gye wali omuwadde yalagawa?
Original nalaba abapoliisi nga bakebera ebintu bye yalina mu kasawo nga yali.
I saw police officers as they were searching his bag and it was there.
So if I show you a copy, how will you identify it?
Bwe bakulaga kopi ya receipt eyo ogitegeerera ku ki?
Handwriting yange ngimanyi.
I know my handwriting.
What else?
Ki ekirala?
Ena headline ya Gaba Community Church.
It is headed with the words Gaba Community Church.
Apart from your handwriting, what else?
Okuggyako omukono gwo.
Nateekako signature yange.
I also signed on it.
Please look at the copy and tell court if you do recognize it.
Tunula ku kipapula ekyo olabe oba okimanyi.
Nkimanyi.
I know the document.
How do you know it?
Okimanyi otya?
Handwriting eriko ndaba yange, signature yange.
I see my handwriting and my signature.
Ndaba ye receipt gye tukozesa buli lunaku.
And it is the receipt we use every day.
In whose names?
Eri mu mannya gaani?
Zuriel Onyum.
It is in the names of Zuriel Onyum.
Is it dated?
Kuliko ennaku z'omwezi?
Kuliko ennaku z'omwezi nga 2/4/2026.
It's dated 2nd April 2026.
For which amount?
Emitwalo 19.
Zaali ssente meka?
Emitwalo 19.
190,000 shillings.
Let me have it again. For which purpose?
Zaali zaaki?
Kuliko daycare fees plus uniform plus registration.
For daycare fees, uniform and registration.
My Lord, we pray to have it in as a PID.
We are not going to have you cross-examined. It's actually 6 o'clock. I think we need to break off now. So when we come back, which will be Wednesday, then the lawyers for Mr. Okello will ask you some questions. But I want to thank you so much for coming today, and we condole with you upon the loss of these children.
Obudde butukutte n'olwekyo ab'oludda lw'omuwaabirwa tebagenda kubuuza bibuuzo leero.